Working mother script. Returning to work does not mean stopping breastfeeding. With proper planning, mothers can express and store breast milk safely. Supportive workplaces make it easier for mothers to continue providing the best nutrition for their babies. 15. Breastfeeding myth script. Many myths surround breastfeeding, but facts matter. Breastfeeding does not make a baby weak, and it does not reduce a mother's beauty. Instead, it strengthens both mother and child and supports long-term health. 16. Rural and home care script. In rural homes and villages, breastfeeding remains the safest way to feed a baby. It requires no clean water or equipment, reducing the risk of infections. Breastfeeding ensures babies receive safe nutrition at all times. Baby's voice script. I feel warm when my mother holds me. Her milk makes me strong and helps me sleep peacefully. When I breastfeed, I feel loved and protected. 18. Mother's strength script. Breastfeeding shows a mother's strength.